Have you not noticed that Muslim sisters are like always quiet in the, you know? That's not a Muslim trait, women. I'm telling you this. The Prophet ﷺ went to Medina after the migration, the hijrah, right? And Muslim women gathered him, and you know what they did to him? They had lists of questions. And they started throwing all the questions to the Prophet ﷺ. You know what the Prophet ﷺ said? He said, this is the beauty of the girls in Medina. They ask questions. And we, right now, in the current definition of Islam, we've trained that, you know what, if you talk too much, you're not a good Muslim woman. You do not have grace. Who gave us these definitions? That's why we're losing IQ in our daughters. That's what I'm worried about. What's your name, kid? But yeah, Shiza. Shiza, 150 IQ. Learn how to develop it. There's a way. Any human being can develop 150. It starts from day one. I'm sorry.